Dear students, welcome in our YouTube channel online live classes. In today's class, we have discussed about the introduction of physics for the class 12th, and we are started with the unit number 1, electrostatics. Some basic concept related to electrostatics in terms of the charge, types of the charges, methods of the charging, and properties of the charging. Before I start my lecture, how we are just to be studying about the physics in our live classes. यदि मैं फिजिक्स को समझने की बात करूं, it is to be in terms of the concept, examples, and numerical problems. It means our focus are to be on understanding the basic concept, examples related to that particular concept. Most commonly they are to be related to the daily life examples, and after that all possible numerical problems, and we are also to be including the previous year's questions of the board examinations as well as the NEET and the JEE examinations questions. तो चलिए अपन स्टार्ट करते हैं क्लास 12 फिजिक्स with the first unit in terms of the electrostatic. First thing, what is electrostatic? स्थिर विद्युतिकी है क्या? When we are talking about the charge, अब देखिए चार्ज इससे क्यों जुड़ा? This electrostatic part, it is to be divided into these two parts. First one, it is to be electro, it means related to the electron, and the second, it is to be related to the static. Static and dynamic, these are to be defining the position of that particular object. Here we are considering the charge, that's why it is related to that particular charge or that particular electron. Now, electrons, it means they are just to be related to the charge, and the static, it means it is to be in terms of the rest. इसका मतलब एग्जैक्टली अपन को पढ़ना क्या है इन इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स? इट इज टू बी द स्टडी अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बट द कंडीशंस व्हेन द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर टू बी एट रेस्ट. यदि अपन किसी भी इलेक्ट्रॉन को या चार्ज को रेस्ट पे स्टडी करना चाहें, देन इट इज टू बी डिफाइंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट थिंग एग्जैक्टली है क्या चार्ज? ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपके पास आया कहां से? देन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, इट इज टू बी रिलेटेड टू द इलेक्ट्रॉन. इट मींस व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द नॉर्मल फिनोमेना इन आवर एनवायरनमेंट, यदि आप अपने सराउंडिंग में देखिए, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स, लॉट्स ऑफ द मेटल्स, लॉट्स ऑफ द मटेरियल्स, दे आर हैविंग सम फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टीज in terms of the attraction, in terms of the repulsion, or in terms of that there is no effect of that particular matter on the presence of the other matter. On basis of these kind of phenomena, we are just to be discussing about the different conditions of the charge. Here, if I am just to be taking out a object A, it is to be an object in normal phenomena, when it is to be exist into our universe, it means in normally situations the number of the electrons is equal to the number of protons. When we are talking about the electrons and protons, यदि इलेक्ट्रॉन और प्रोटॉन की बात करें तो it is to be associated like it is to be on nucleus, then the protons and the neutrons, they are to be available inside the nucleus, and the electrons, these electrons are to be revolving into their orbits. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इसके चारों तरफ अपनी ऑर्बिटल्स में रिवॉल्व करते हैं, चक्कर लगाते हैं, एंड द प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स आर टू बी इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस। ये आगे अपन डिटेल्स में सारी चीजों को पढ़ेंगे, बट इन टू द नॉर्मल सिचुएशंस इट इज टू बी द न्यूट्रलाइज्ड। न्यूट्रलाइज्ड इट मींस देयर इज नो चार्ज अपॉन इट। इफ देयर इज नो चार्ज अपॉन इट, it means the number of the electrons are to be equated by number of protons. Okay, if the number of the electrons are to be number of protons, then our charge or our object it is to be neutralized. If we are just to be disturbing this phenomena in terms of the if number of the electrons are to be greater than number of protons, and in second phenomena when the number of the electrons are to be less than number of protons, it means we can say that the negative charges are to be equal to the positive charges, the negative charges are to be greater than positive charges, negative charges are to be less than positive charges. It means it is to be the basic configurations. It means if we are having the two quantities, like we are having the quantity A, quantity B, then the formulations they are to be equal. Quantity A it is to be greater than quantity B, quantity B it is to be greater than quantity A. That's why we are just to be considering these formulations. Now in these formulations the object it is to be neutralized, but क्या इन दोनों situations में neutralized होगा? No my dear students, it is to be the concept of the charge, because number of the electrons are to be greater than number of protons, number of the electrons are to be less than number of protons. It means it is to be called the excess of the electrons. इसको अपन किस टर्म्स में डिफाइन कर सकते हैं? Excess of the electrons into that particular object, and it is to be defined in terms of the deficiency of electrons. The excess of the electrons and the deficiency of the electrons, it is to be related to the basic concept of the charge. In electrostatics, everything is to be related to electrons, and here it is to be also defined in terms of the excess and the deficiency of the electrons. Now, the excess and the deficiency of the electrons is to be defined in terms of the concept of the charge. तो उम्मीद करता हूं समझ में आ गया होगा चार्ज ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट कहां से आया। यदि इसको अपन और इजी वे में समझना चाहें तो इफ यू आर हैविंग द मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्ट्स और द मैटर्स इनटू आवर सराउंडिंग एनवायरनमेंट, देन वी आर जस्ट टू बी स्टडीड अबाउट इट कि आप देखते हैं कई बार फ्यू मेटल आर टू बी अट्रैक्टेड towards each other, few of them are just to be repelling to each other, and few of them are to be neutralized into that particular effect. It means ये attraction, repulsion या फिर neutralizations किसके respect में हो रहा है? It means there is a physical quantity is to be exist, and this physical quantity is to be defined in terms of the charge. Now these are the content part for the today's class. First thing, what is charge? Second thing, the types of the charge. And the third thing, the properties of charge. And the next thing, the charging methods, or the method of charging. Now first thing we are studied about the charge. आवेश चार्ज होता क्या है? यदि अपन इसको समझना चाहें तो इट इज टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद द मेटल। It is to be associated with matter. इसका मतलब ये आपके पास किसी भी पर्टिकुलर मैटर से एसोसिएटेड होगी, एक उसकी प्रॉपर्टी होगी. बट समटाइम्स इट इज टू बी, कई बार आपको लिखा हुआ मिलेगा इन टर्म्स ऑफ द फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी. In terms of the fundamental quantity, but my dear friends, it is to be defined in terms of the derived quantity. It is to be defined in terms of the derived quantity. It is not to be a fundamental quantity. Yes, it is to be the fundamental property of that particular matter. It is to be the fundamental property, not the fundamental quantity. But it is to be defined in terms of the derived quantity. In 11th class, we are just to be discussed about the different types of the quantities in terms of the fundamental or the derived quantities. Derived quantities कौन सी होती थी? Quantities those are to be derived from the fundamental quantities, or they are to be derived with the help of the fundamental quantities. अब इसको derived क्यों बोला गया? Next we will discuss, जब अपन इसको discuss करेंगे about the formulations. Q equal to I into T. Here the T, it is to be the time, I, it is to be the current. It means it is to be derived with the help of the time and the current. And these are the two basic fundamental quantities. That's why it is to be defined in terms of the derived quantity. Okay? It is to be the basic of charge. तो exactly अपन charge को आवेश को क्या बोल सकते हैं? ये आपके पास किसी भी पदार्थ का एक मूलभूत गुण है. It is to be the basic properties associated to the matter, or the fundamental properties associated to the matter. On behalf of this, or the on effect of this, it can be feel a attraction or the repulsion force in terms of the electrostatics or the in terms of the magnetism. तो अपन इसको सिंपल वर्ड्स में क्या समझ सकते हैं कि आपके पास चार्ज क्या है? किसी भी पदार्थ का वह मूलभूत गुण जिसकी सहायता से अपन उस पदार्थ के द्वारा किसी अन्य पदार्थ पे लगने वाले विद्युतीय और चुंबकीय बल को समझ सकते हैं. तो इट इज टू बी द बेसिक ऑफ द चार्ज. नाउ वी आर जस्ट टू बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ द चार्जेस. अब देखिए टाइप्स किस तरीके से बना. आवर बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द चार्ज. फिर बता रहा हूं, एक ही कॉन्सेप्ट से सारी चीजों को रिलेट करते हुए चलूंगा. यदि आप वीडियोस को कंटिन्यूसली देखेंगे तो आपको किसी भी कॉन्सेप्ट में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. ये मेरा आपसे वादा है. बट आपको एक सीक्वेंस मैनर में, सीक्वेंशियल मैनर में इन्हीं वीडियोस को कंटिन्यूसली फॉलो अप करते जाओ. तो देखिए अपन ने बात की थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के एक्सेस केस की बात की थी और डिफिशियंसी की बात कर दी. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन जब एक्सेस में होंगे, डिफिशियंसी में होंगे, तो उस टर्म्स में अपन क्या बात करेंगे? इट इज टू बी डिफाइंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द टाइप्स ऑफ द चार्जेस. देयर आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ द चार्जेस. वो कैसे डिफाइंड होंगे? तो अपन ने देखा कि व्हेन वी आर जस्ट टू बी गिविंग सम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टू एनी पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट, इट मींस वी आर जस्ट टू बी कंसीडरिंग द फॉर्मुलेशंस. नंबर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर टू बी ग्रेटर देन नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ग्रेटर थे नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स से. तो फॉर्मुलेशंस कैसी बनी? इसका मतलब आपके पास जो ऑब्जेक्ट था, योर ऑब्जेक्ट, इट इज टू बी नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड. योर ऑब्जेक्ट इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड. इट मींस there is a one type of charge is to be exist in terms of the negative charge. तो the first type of the charges आपके पास कौन सी फॉर्मुलेट होंगी? It is to be in terms of the negative charge. In next case, when we are talking about the number of electrons are to be less than number of protons It means the negative charges are to be lesser and the positive charges are to be greater. यदि positive charges greater है, it means our object is to be positively charged. Object कैसा हो जाएगा my dear students? It is to be positively charged. It means there is another type of the charges, the second type of charge in terms of the positive charge. तो ये तो रहा कॉन्सेप्ट, बट एग्जामिनेशंस में तो आपको डेफिनेशंस लिखनी होगी. That's why here we are just to be using the formulations. If the questions are to be in terms of the define the charge and the types of the charges, then we are just to be simply write down charge. It is to be associated with the meter. It is a fundamental property of the meter. It is a derived quantity of the meter. On behalf of it, it can feel the electric as well as the magnetic force or the magnetic phenomena. There are the two types of the charges in terms of the positive and negative charges, and these types are to be defined on basis of the comparison of number of electrons with respect to the number of protons. If the number of the electrons are to be greater than number of protons, means there is a excess of the electrons, then this kind of the charge is to be known as negative charge. When we are talking about positive charge, if the number of the electrons are to be lesser than number of protons, then our object, it is to be positively charged, and this charge is to be defined in terms of the positive charge. It is also to be defined in terms of the deficiency of the electrons. It means the types of the charges are to be defined for particular meter in terms of the excess of the electrons or in terms of the deficiency of electrons. Entire this phenomena, it is to be called the electrification or charging of an object. Now we are just to be moving upon the next formulations. The entire process of the charging of an object or the movement of the charges or the number of the electrons, comparison with respect to number of protons, it is to be defined in terms of the charging or the electrification. बहुत कॉमन सा वर्ड है चार्जिंग. मोस्ट कॉमनली अपन डेली लाइफ में यूज करते हैं. when you are just to be plugging your mobile with respect to your charger. आप कहते हैं कि मेरे को मेरे मोबाइल को चार्ज करना है या मेरे मोबाइल को चार्ज लगाना, तो अपन उसको नॉर्मली चार्ज से कनेक्ट कर देते हैं. व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट फिनोमिना बिहाइंड दिस? एग्जैक्टली हो क्या रहा है? In your mobile phones there is a battery and this battery is to be in terms of the capacitor. वो आपके पास एक स्टोरेज ऑफ चार्ज है, and when we are connected your mobile with a particular charger to the socket, इलेक्ट्रिक सॉकेट में जैसे आपने कनेक्ट किया, you are just to be switch on that particular charger. जैसे आपने ऑन किया, then there are the charges in terms of the electrons and these electrons are to be flowing through that particular mobile. अब ये फॉर्मुलेशंस क्या होंगे? It means it is to be defined in terms of the higher potential or the lower potentials. In electrostatic parts, we are just to be considering the formulations in terms of the charges, in terms of the electric field, in terms of the Gaussian law, in terms of the electric potential, and in terms of the electric capacitance. Electrostatics, these first four phenomena are to be related to electrostatic, and the next phenomena, electric capacitance and the KVL, KCL, potentiometer, it is to be related to the electric circuit. और ये entire phenomena for the board examination point of view, it is to be almost 8 to 10 marks weightage cover करती है. In your competition examinations, NEET or JEE examinations, there are 2 to 3 questions in your examinations. Here we are